Hello and welcome to First Secrets. I'm Ahmed Wellington. There are thousands of AI tools right now in the market. Do you use any one of those tools? If you do not use any tool in your business, you are missing a lot because there are a lot of tools and tools for different purposes. AI tools are not perfect, but they can help you enormously. They can assist you tremendously. If you are going to spend, let's say, 2 hours in order to write an article, the AI tool can write that article in a few minutes. Now your job is just to refine it, to go through the article and then try to add or remove some things, text or some words that you do not like in order to give the human touch. And these AI tools are so important in assisting you because they can assist you in images, they can assist you in audios, they can assist you in videos, they can assist you in text. So I'm just going to mention two AI tools, and one of them you heard a lot, and that is a ChatGPT. A lot of people are using ChatGPT in order to assist them in order to scale their businesses. And recently, there's another open source AI tool, and that's DeepSeek. And this is a Chinese company, and it is a competitor to ChatGPT. And the most important thing here that I want to highlight is there are some things that you have to pay for them in ChatGPT so that you can use them. But in DeepSeek, they are free without subscription. They are free without paying anything. And if you want to know how you want to start using ChatGPT or DeepSeek, write down here ChatGPT or DeepSeek. And I'm going to make a tutorial videos so that I can tell you step by step how can you use ChatGPT, and from there you can start using it, and then you master the prompts. The prompts are most important things in ChatGPT. More refined the prompts are, the more specific, the more personal prompts are, the better result that you are going to get. And if you find this video is helpful and you can get value out of this video, don't forget to like it and also hit the bell button and also share among your friends. And if you are new in this channel, subscribe to this channel. This is Ahmed Wellington.